Hello guys, today I'll show you how to synchronize remote control with connected already LED controller. So for the first step we're going to touch the power button from the LED controller and start it working. If we took another remote control, actually remote control will not working. So how to synchronize the remote control to the LED controller? We have to hold the button power from the remote control and touch one time power button from LED controller. Take off the power button, then touch the pause button. We see the LED strip changing the color. Now it's a red one. Then one more time push the button power from the remote control, and when green light will gonna blink, it means that remote control was synchronized with the LED controller. Let's see. So now the remote control understand the new LED controller, and we can change whatever we want: mode, speed, brightness, pause, switch them off. Thank you.